go, another beautiful day in paradise. Seas are actually down a bit on what we thought, so we'll get some bait and get into it. You just spin it around the other way, I can change the frame. Swim! Swim! There he's gone. He hasn't put some more shit on you then. You got him up yet, Chino? I reckon you nearly got him beat. Said the shark to the fisherman. Ooh. Coming back this way now. I think you've nearly broken his spirit, I reckon.
He's broken mine.
Do you want me to take over for a little bit?
You can try.
There you go. It's been a slow start to the day. Got the right bait there. That's what we want. Just got to make it pay off now. Hey Sean, no pressure.
No pressure.
Feeling a bit of pressure there, aren't you?
Yeah. The heat is on. Sayonara, fishy.
You still got that shark drag on there?
No, I loosened it back a bit.
Yeah, he's on. Didn't take too long. He's going alright, Sean, eh? You got him up a bit now, anyway. Just watch the side of that boat. Colour?
Can't see anything yet.
Just watch the side of that boat. Alrighty. Is he coming? Oh, hooked him in the pectoral to spin me over.
Thought that might have been the
cod.
case.
Look where you hooked him.
Yeah.
Did he normally do it?
Oh, bugger.
Oh, that's alright. Bogas. Little fella. Don't drop the bogas. Frog, the frog man. Anyway,
It's something.
he's not a big monster, so that one'll still go good. Good work. Eating again. Not like a trout or a little red.
It might be a little red because he's got no fight in him.
Might mean he's a nice troutist. Where's that net ended up?
That's up front. I know.
Looks like
Little
trouty
trout.
to me. It's funny when we call them little trout, eh? Can you just pass those bogers over there? There you go, Sean. Yeah, them ones, yeah. Just pull the handle on there, yeah. Might be a bit short. Alright.
Perfect size.
Yeah, not too big, not like those stupid
Big 16-pound ones I get.
ones you normally get, they're no good. Nobody wants them.
Oh yeah.
Step back into the sun.
4 or 5 pounders in the fucking
Yeah. Good looking fish. I get the net for Justin.
Justin, yeah. He doesn't feel like any record breaker if it is a little red. But it's not a little red.
Another trout. Funny looking little red, eh? Oh, he's a little bit bigger than that last one. Yes. Alright, same again. You just pass them bogers back over there.
Thank you.
Deja vu. He's a little bit better than that last one, isn't he?
Still perfect size.
Yeah, yeah. Definitely won't be going home. Alright, bud.
Yeah.
Does that mean it's going to be a cod or a trout, Sean?
No, not a trout.
Coming up like a trout now,
Yep.
isn't it? Hopefully be number 3. It's looking pale.
Yeah.
It's looking pale and it's looking pink. Or is it a big sweetie?
Nah.
I don't know. A bit bigger trout.
It's Troutist number 3.
Alright. That's why we come in here. Alright.
Yep.
See if you can unfold them or you want to sink it
Let's
first?
grab that sinker out first. This is heaps easier without that donging around.
Fucking hell, this is going alright.
Oh,
His eyes are a bit boogly, but that's okay, he's not going back down. Is this just the same fish that you keep
no, because
oh,
you can tell by
he's got a black mark on the tail there.
Yeah, you can definitely tell. Not the same.
It's the same boat, Coach.
Yeah.
Another perfect size one. That's excellent. Black King. Not too bad, you'll see the net. He'll go up in the reserve, I think. But, you know,
You want me to swim in?
you can try, but normally they just see the net and they
Go nuts, eh?
go, I don't want to go in there. Keep his head down a bit if you can by just keeping that rod tip down. Yes, here you go now. He might come in. Try and get him right up on top. Keep winding. Keep winding. Oh. Well done, Shauna.
And all the hooks just came out.
Did they? Alright. Nice little black king. He's going nuts now. He didn't go nuts next to the bay.
Slimy little buggers.
Yeah, that's not a bad size, but we don't want those real big ones. You'd be too puff. Beauty. Cool.
No, he's still there. Mine got smashed almost as soon as it got to the bottom. This always happens though when I put the camera on you. There we go.
Real brown. Alright. Shauna, what are you, puff, mate?
I'm bugging.
Get him in a bit closer, eh? Hey, buddy. I think we're going to have to needle you. And maybe release weight too.
Do you want me to like boger him to hold him for you, or you? Nice.
What we were after, Shauna, but better than sharp.
Yeah, well, I just thought the way it bit and ran to start with.
You don't want to hold him or anything, do you?
Nah.
No chance of him surviving if we can
Yeah,
get
exactly.
him.
Leave him in
I'll
the...
let him go, and if we got to chase him.
Yep.
Ah,
Good work. Nice release, skipper.